Hello! To connect your Xiaomi Poco X7 with a car, first of all you have to go into your settings, then go into more connectivity options and scroll all the way down until you find more Android Auto option. You go in here and you will be probably forwarded into the Google Play Store to update your application. Once you do this, you can simply go back and press this Android Auto option once again and you'll be forwarded to Android Auto application. So now you simply have to press this Connect a Car button. And right here we have an option to connect our phone with the car using the USB cable, and you have to do this by connecting the cable to Android Auto compatible USB port in your car, and then you have to connect the cable to your phone, and you have to follow the on-screen instructions on your car to proceed and to complete the connection. You can also connect it with the car using wireless connection, and to do this you have to press and hold the voice command button to begin the setup, and then once again you have to follow the on-screen instructions and you will be connected. Actually when you press and hold this button you will turn on the menu to pair new device, and your phone should be visible here, and in the application will be forwarded to the connection process. You can also connect to the car using the Bluetooth, and you simply need to turn on your Bluetooth in your phone, and you need to be sure that your car supports wireless auto to pair with the car, and you simply pair a car right here. As you press the pair a car button right here, your car should be visible in here in this Bluetooth devices, and you simply have to connect to it. Unfortunately I cannot show you how to proceed, how to do the connection, since I do not have a car here, but that's simply how you do it. Just follow the on-screen instructions and everything should be fine. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.